Welcome back to Great Day Washington. Are you having aches and pains that make it hard to shovel snow or just do everyday chores?
Spring is going to be here before you know it, I hope. Well, it's a little late right now. You're not going to want to let that pain stop you from enjoying the nice weather. And here now is Dr. M. Scott White, DC, founder of New Life Laser. Once again, Dr. White, thanks for coming in.
Thank you, thank you. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you about a robotic deep tissue laser. 32 years of practice. It's the most amazing tool I've ever used to get rid of pain. We can use it on any body area. We do a lot of spine, spinal degeneration, disc herniation, spinal stenosis, knees, hips, any joint. We can use it anywhere where you're having pain except for your eyes. But the amazing thing is it doesn't just get rid of pain, it actually causes the root of the problem to go away. It stimulates stem cells to turn on, and we can get tissue regeneration. So most of our patients that come in don't have to come back for the same problem. So we use an amazing tool for getting rid of pain. But I want to talk to you about my friend, the second most handsome guy on this couch.
Oh, thank you, doctor. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me.
Anyway,
Tim Hightower. Yeah. Yes, we know who he is. He's brilliant.
Amazing story. Started with the Cardinals, of course. I was on a Super Bowl team with the Cardinals, with the Redskins, and that's where I learned to love you, by the way, with the Redskins. And then had a 3-season hiatus, hurt his knee, and we were able to do some laser treatments with him on his knee. But for the last 2 years has played for the Saints. And last year
out 3 years, and then he got back in the NFL. Yeah. That's true?
That is amazing.
That's impossible.
There you are in action on the screen. You're looking at your best. Tell us about your journey from being out, like Chris just said, to getting back in the game, a really brutal game.
Yeah, it was a long journey, but I'm thankful for Dr. White, and there are different people who, were placed in my path, and it was really a challenge after the knee surgeries to get the inflammation down and kind of get back to feeling good, and trying different treatments and trying different things, really searching for everything to get back. And I really felt like after doing some of the laser treatments, a lot of the inflammation started to go down, and some of the range of motion got me back. And so it's good to be back. It felt like it took forever, but one thing Dr. White, we always talked about, we always prayed, and we always talked about just being positive, and every treatment we prayed right before the treatment. So I'm back feeling good, and hopefully we'll keep getting some more treatments and keeping the body feeling good.
You know what the amazing thing is, of all the professional athletes I've worked with, if you're out there watching, close your ears. This guy is the most amazing, incredible. He would come in for a treatment and he'd say, "Doc, I want to pray first." And he would pray, because think about this. This is a running back to play in the NFL, to be out for 3 seasons. And every time he came in, I mean, there's not much that shakes my faith, but I'll be like, okay, I'm going to agree with him, And then I started believing with him, and we were believing. And listen, through this guy, I want to tell people at home, you may have been suffering, you may have had pain for years, you may have thought, I've tried everything. Unless you've tried the laser, you haven't tried everything. But mixing your faith, God doesn't just care about Tim Hightower, although he's special. He cares about all of us. So I want to encourage people, if you're at home and you've been suffering, continue to trust and believe. I mean, his story is an amazing story. Of believing and hope and perseverance, and what can happen. I mean, this man is playing in the NFL for the last 2 years, and last year had an amazing year, had 4 rushing touchdowns and 1 50-yard pass for a touchdown, right?
You sound like my agent.
You got a good team around you then.
Yes.
Yeah, agent.
Are you guaranteeing that if we use your laser, that we too can get back into the NFL, even though I haven't played since high school?
How many years? Okay, now look. Okay, here's the deal. Okay, I know that you fantasize about being an NFL quarterback.
Of course I do.
So here's what we're going to do. Marquette, you're going to be the center.
Who that? Who that? Who that?
Okay. Well, look, here's the deal. Okay.
I don't know what a center does.
Just hold the ball.
Okay.
4th and goal. This is our last play. This is the Super Bowl. Okay?
Super Bowl, I love it.
Now, you're going to call out the signals, and I know you've done this in your dreams many times.
I got a good running back. It's going to be a running play.
He's going to be open in the end zone.
Okay.
Okay? And this is it. So call out your signal. She's going to hand you the ball, and then you're going to throw the pass to a wide open Tim Hightower.
Okay.
Let's see if we can do this.
All right, Blue 24. Blue 24. Hut, hut. Woohoo! Look at that. San Francisco 49ers. I hope they saw that. You can watch it on Twitter. All right, well, give us the information.
Now listen, what we want to do is we want to call 1-888-PAIN-FREE. Don't do that, Marquette.
Don't do it.
1-888.
1-888 pain-free.
I was
And listen,
totally gonna nail it. Go ahead.
We've got folks standing by for the next 2 hours. And what we're going to do is we're going to give away a completely no-charge first visit. Don't worry about money. The first visit is free. It doesn't matter if you have insurance or don't have insurance. We're going to sit down with you. We're going to go over your problem, and we're going to do 2 no-charge laser treatments. So call within the next 2 hours. Schedule your no-charge appointment. 1-888 pain-free.
Do I count? Do
Wonderful.
I get another treatment in there?
Tim wants to call to get his.
Time out, brother.
Who can catch this ball?
Anyway, Tim, we'll see you on the field in the NFL very soon.
Tim
I
can
know
catch
that
it.
for a fact. You look great. You look great. You're a picture of health. Thank you very much, Doctor.
And congrats on all of your health. That is wonderful. Stay with us because Megan Mooney is out.